4 breakfast foods that lower creatinine. Most people don't realize how much their kidneys do until their health starts to slip. But if you've been told your creatinine levels are high, or you're dealing with early kidney issues, it's time to pay attention. Your kidneys work around the clock to filter waste, manage blood pressure, and keep your body in balance. When they're under stress, toxins build up, energy drops, and your health begins to suffer quietly. You know what's the good news? The foods you eat each morning can make a big difference. With the right breakfast choices, you can support your kidneys, ease their workload, and help naturally lower your creatinine levels over time. In today's video, we'll look at 4 simple and powerful breakfast foods that are safe, kidney-friendly, and proven to support healthier creatinine levels. These are easy to find, everyday foods that you can start eating right away. So let's dive in and start with the breakfast that's gentle, energizing, and healing for your kidneys. Oats with chia seeds. Most people think oats are just another breakfast cereal for weight loss, but for kidney patients, they're a hidden gem. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which binds to toxins and waste products in your gut, fatty acids and antioxidants that reduce inflammation in kidney tissues and protect them from oxidative stress. Adding chia seeds boosts this benefit because chia is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that reduce inflammation in kidney tissues and protect them from oxidative stress. Eating oats with chia every morning provides you with a slow, steady energy release that prevents blood sugar spikes, an important factor because high blood sugar can silently damage your kidneys over time. This combination also keeps you full for longer, reducing the temptation to snack on processed foods. Added sodium and phosphorus, both harmful for kidney health. Eating oats with chia seeds provides multiple benefits for kidney health and overall well-being. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which helps bind toxins and waste products in your digestive tract, reducing the load on your kidneys by preventing these wastes from re-entering your bloodstream. Sugar can damage the delicate blood vessels in your kidneys over time. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation, protecting your kidney tissues from further damage. They're also rich in antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, which is a major cause of kidney cell injury. Together, oats and chia seeds keep you full for longer, prevent energy crashes, support healthy digestion, and cleanse your system naturally, making them one of the best healing breakfasts for anyone managing high creatinine or chronic kidney disease. Try soaking your oats overnight in almond milk with a spoonful of chia seeds and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This breakfast is creamy, refreshing, and ready in seconds when you wake up, making your morning routine effortless. Oats with chia seeds are not just a simple breakfast, they're a healing meal that can cleanse your system, reduce creatinine levels naturally, and protect your kidneys for years to come. They're also affordable, easy to find in any store, and can be prepared in so many creative ways to suit your taste. You can mix in berries, add chopped apples, or blend them into smoothies for variety. Eating oats daily also improves gut health, which has a direct impact on kidney health because a clean gut equals cleaner blood. Start your day with this powerful combination and give your kidneys the gentle care they deserve. Have you tried adding chia seeds to your oats before? Let me know how you like to prepare your oats in the comments below. You can mix in berries, add chopped apples, or blend them into smoothies for variety. Next, let's talk about a fruit that acts like a gentle morning detox for your kidneys. Papaya slices. Papaya is often overlooked as a breakfast fruit, but for kidney patients, it's one of the safest and most beneficial options. It's rich in vitamin C, natural enzymes like papain, and powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in your kidneys and support smooth digestion. Good digestion means your body eliminates waste better, easing the burden on your kidneys and reducing creatinine levels naturally. Eating papaya first thing in the morning on an empty stomach acts as a gentle detox for your digestive tract, flushing out toxins accumulated overnight and preparing your system for the day. It's low in potassium compared to other tropical fruits, making it safe for many kidney patients. But always check with your doctor if you're on a strict potassium restriction. You can eat fresh papaya slices alone or mix them with a few soaked chia seeds for added fiber and omega-3 benefits. Some studies also suggest papaya can reduce oxidative stress in kidney cells, protecting them from further damage caused by high creatinine levels. Papaya is a powerhouse fruit for kidney health due to its unique enzyme called papain, which aids digestion and helps your body eliminate waste more efficiently, reducing the burden on your kidneys. It is also rich in vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant to protect your kidney cells from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Papaya has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe and protect your kidney tissues. And its high water content keeps your body hydrated, promoting better filtration and toxin removal. Additionally, papaya is low in potassium compared to other tropical fruits, making it a safer choice. For kidney patients concerned about potassium restrictions, eating papaya regularly can also improve skin clarity, boost immunity. Overall, it's a sweet, refreshing, and healing breakfast choice for supporting your kidneys naturally. If you're looking for a sweet, hydrating, and healing start to your day, papaya is your go-to breakfast fruit. It also helps improve skin health because its enzymes support collagen production and cleansing from the inside out. You can top your papaya slices with a pinch of cinnamon for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Another beautiful thing about papaya is that it improves gut bacteria balance, which is linked directly to kidney health. Including papaya regularly can also reduce bloating and acidity, giving your stomach a calm, refreshed feeling each morning. Before we move on to the next one, I would love to hear from you. Do you like this type of content and want me to share more valuable strategies with you? If yes, then type 0 in the comments, and if no, then type 1. Now, let's move on to a creamy drink that feels like a treat, but heals like medicine for your kidneys. Almond milk smoothie. Traditional milk is high in phosphorus and potassium, which can strain damaged kidneys. That's why almond milk is an excellent alternative for people with high creatinine. Unsweetened almond milk is low in phosphorus and potassium and rich in vitamin E, which helps reduce inflammation and oxidative damage in your kidneys. When you blend almond milk with berries like blueberries or strawberries, you create a powerful antioxidant smoothie that not only tastes delicious, but also supports your kidneys' healing. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins that protect kidney cells from damage, while strawberries provide vitamin C and fiber to flush out toxins naturally. Try blending a cup of unsweetened almond milk with half a cup of frozen or fresh berries. You can add a spoonful of ground flaxseed or chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. This smoothie is light on your stomach, easy to prepare, and gives your kidneys the support they need to lower creatinine levels over time. An almond milk smoothie is a gentle, nourishing breakfast for kidney patients because it provides hydration and nutrients without burdening your kidneys with excess phosphorus or potassium, which are high in regular dairy milk. Unsweetened almond milk is rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects kidney cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. When blended with berries like blueberries or strawberries, this smoothie becomes a powerful detox drink because berries are high in anthocyanins, vitamin C, and fiber, all of which reduce inflammation, improve blood vessel health, and support waste removal. The fiber content also helps bind toxins in your gut and prevents them from reaching your bloodstream, thus easing your kidneys' workload. Drinking this smoothie regularly can enhance your energy levels, improve your immune function, and keep your kidneys healthy by lowering creatinine levels naturally over time. Starting your day with this smoothie is like giving your kidneys a fresh breath of healing every morning. Plus, it's refreshing, especially during hot weather, keeping your body hydrated without excess fluid retention. You can also add a few mint leaves for digestion and freshness. This breakfast is perfect if you're busy and want something quick yet deeply nourishing. Drinking this regularly can also improve your skin health, energy levels, and mental clarity because of its antioxidant load. It's not just a drink, it's liquid healing for your kidneys and your entire body. Finally, let's finish with a breakfast that's creamy, filling, and deeply protective for your kidneys. Whole wheat toast with avocado. Avocado often worries kidney patients due to its potassium, but in small portions, it provides powerful healing benefits. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants that reduce inflammation, protect kidney cells from damage, and improve your overall heart health, which is deeply connected to your kidney function. Pairing half an avocado with whole wheat toast makes a breakfast rich in fiber, healthy fats, and slow-release energy to keep you full for hours without burdening your kidneys. Whole wheat bread adds fiber that binds to toxins in your gut and prevents them from re-entering your bloodstream, easing your kidneys' workload. Try mashing half an avocado with lemon juice and black pepper, spreading it on toasted whole wheat bread. Avoid adding salt or butter, as sodium increases water retention and creatinine buildup in your body. Whole wheat toast with avocado is a deeply nourishing breakfast that provides a perfect balance of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants for kidney health. Avocado, in small portions, offers monounsaturated fats that reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from damage, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant to fight oxidative stress. Healthy fats from avocado also support heart health, which is directly connected to kidney health, because both organs rely on each other for proper function. Whole wheat bread is rich in dietary fiber, which helps bind toxins in your gut and prevents them from re-entering your blood, thus reducing the filtering burden on your kidneys. This combination provides slow-release energy to keep you full and energized without causing blood sugar spikes. It also supports gut health, promotes better digestion, improves cholesterol levels, and keeps your skin and hair nourished from the inside out. Overall, it's a creamy, satisfying, and protective breakfast choice for anyone aiming to lower creatinine and strengthen their kidneys naturally. This breakfast is creamy, nourishing, and a gentle protector for your kidneys to start the day right. It also supports healthy cholesterol levels, which reduces strain on your heart and kidneys. Avocado's healthy fats improve cell structure, aiding repair and regeneration throughout your body. Adding a slice of tomato on top boosts its antioxidant power and flavor. This simple breakfast can also improve your mood, as healthy fats support brain function and hormonal balance. Every bite is a reminder that healing can be delicious, simple, and deeply satisfying. Before we wrap up, I want to share a bonus tip that could make a big difference in your kidney health. Bonus tip: deep breathing. Taking 5-10 minutes every morning to practice slow, deep breathing helps reduce stress levels, lower blood pressure, and improve oxygen flow to your kidneys. Sit comfortably, place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, letting your belly rise. Hold for 2 seconds. And exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 to 8 seconds. And exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 to 8 seconds. Repeat for 5 to 10 minutes. This calms your nervous system and improves circulation to your kidneys. Your kidneys work every second to keep you alive and healthy, but they rarely get the care they deserve. The foods you choose each morning can either support or damage these life-saving organs. Start including these breakfasts and simple lifestyle habits to cleanse, heal, and protect your kidneys naturally. Remember, even small changes done consistently create powerful results over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural kidney health tips every week. Your support helps me create more healing content for you. Till then, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.